In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import a 3MF file into OnShape. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cat.onshape.com and then log into your account. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, this will work with both the free subscription and the professional subscription, so don't worry about that. From here, you'll simply need to go up to the documents page up here by either Open by Me or any of these other ones over here. And this is where the 3MF file will be uploaded onto. Once from here, we'll need to upload the file. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up to the Create button over here and then click Import Files. Now, once from here, you'll need to browse your local device or choose a connected cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. And then you'll need to find and select your .3mf file. Once from here, OnShape will proceed and translate the file in the background and then place the finished model into its own new document. Then from here you can use the 3FM file like however you want to use it. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!